Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Eunice again. And for today's video is gagawa nga tayo ng bagong makeup vlog because as you all know, I love makeup. And matagal-tagal na rin simula nung huli akong nag-makeup. Kaya without further ado, let's get started. So, for the first step, bago tayo mag-makeup is maglagay tayo ng moisturizer, which is tapos ko nang gawin para makasave time, pati na din ang pag-apply ng foundation. Pero hindi ako naglagay ng foundation ngayon. Ang ginamit ko lang is itong concealer na meron ako. Itong Pro Conceal ng Shawil. Yan. And depende naman sa inyo yan guys kung gusto nyong mag-foundation or concealer. Pero ngayon ang trip ko is concealer lang. And naglagay ako dito sa other area, sa my chin, and dun sa mga dapat takpan para madami sila. Kaya ganyan na lang. I also did my brows na kasi sobrang tagal ko mag-eyebrows. And ang ginamit ko pa rin pang eyebrow is yung dati pa din, walang bago, itong lustrous na eyeshadow pencil. Yan. So, without further ado, ang next na natin gagawin is ibibake ko na ang aking under eye para naman magkaroon ng mattify feeling itong aking face, and para na din kung magkaka-fall out ang ating eyeshadow is masasalo dito at hindi kukulay sa aking face. So, for my tawag dito, setting powder, I'm gonna use this asan na yun? This powder from Nichido. Yung takip, nilagyan ko na ng powder. This is in the shade Final Powder. Ayan. So, without further ado, ilagay na natin siya.
Para mag-set na sa ating face. Ayan. Ayan. So, next natin gagawin is ang ating eyeshadow.
For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use this palette from Detail Makeover. Ayan. Una natin ilalagay is for the transition color, which this one, itong Red Sea. I don't know bakit Red Sea siya, pero maputla-putla ang kulay.
So, just put it all over your lids so it will serve as your transition color.
Next naman is yung papyrus, yung katabi niya. This one. And ilalagay lang natin siya sa ating crease. Next naman is kukunin natin tong sleeves na kulay. Ito, the darker one. Para ilalagay lang natin din and para mas ma-build up yung color, para mag-darken. Medyo powdery yung eyeshadow guys. And pigmented. Yan, dyan lang natin ilalagay.
And blend it all the way. Ayan, diba? Medyo nag-darken na, pero sige pa. Tigilan pa natin.
And the technique is i-blend nyo lang ng i-blend hanggang maging smooth na yung ating eyeshadow. Ayan. Mawala yung mga harsh lines. Diba, nag-dark siya. Ayan. Light dito sa may side na to. Siya. So, yung next na gagawin natin is magka-cut crease tayo. Get your concealer. Ito ulit. And put some in your eyelids. I'm using this brush from Miss Clutz. Ayan. Lagayan mo lang dyan. So, again, get your brush and we will, for the next eyeshadow color, gagamitin natin tong kulay na artifacts, this one. Yan. And ilalagay natin siya dito sa ating outer V, malapit dito sa corner na to, para mag-iba yung kulay. So, ay! Guys, pigmented po tong eyeshadow palette na to, which is maganda. So, ayan. Medyo na-blend na natin. The next naman is another shimmering color, which is this Phoenix. Ayan. Itong kulay na to. And ilalagay lang natin siya sa gitna ng ating lid. Doon lang. Wala nang iba. Sa gitna lang. Ayan.
See that? Ito pa.
And for the inner corner dito is itong another shimmering color, Nile. This is the one. And yan.
Ganito.
So, kung medyo nawawala na yung kulay sa itaas, you just have to build that up. And
Put another color, which is the thieves. Put that there. And you just have to blend it.
tapos, maglagay tayo ng another color para dito sa ating brow bone. Ito naman, ito, Sahara. There we go. Yan. So, itong dumi dito sa baba, lilinisin natin mamaya. Yan. And there you go. So, gagawin ko lang off-cam ang aking kabilang eye and tatanggalin ko na tong aking setting powder and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Ayun na nga. Nagawa ko na ang aking lower makeup look dito sa aking lower lash line. And naglagay na ako ng mascara as well as the falsies. Guys, sobrang hirap maglagay ng mga to. Grabe. Ito na yung pinakamatagal. I swear. Ano ba yan? Nagpawisan ako, tsaka sinipon ako dun na. Kaloka. Pero anyways, ayan, naikabit na natin siya. Medyo messy na nga eh. Kasi, hirapan talaga mag-handle ng falsies. Pero okay lang yan. And, the next na step natin gagawin is, I'm going to contour my face using this. Though, eyeshadow palette to, galing din sa Detail Makeover. Pero dito ako kumukuha ng aking pang contour. And, kukunin ko lang tong brush, contour brush, galing sa collection ni Miss Clutz. Ayan. So, this is going to be my contour, the shade Nox. Ayan, dito. Konti lang. Next naman is ang aking blush on, which is, dito ko din kukunin. And the shade Paisley, ito. Light lang, konti lang. So, again, from Miss Anthony's beginner's brush, ayan pa rin. Konti lang.
Let's proceed. And then, i-coconut mo lang siya sa ating contour para walang white lines na makita.
And there you go. If you want naman na parang natural lang sa'yo ang blush mo, lagyan mo dito, pag-rank blush, and unti lang, pero nahihirapan akong i-achieve yan, kaya wag na, okay na yan. Since nailagay na natin yan, get your powder brush and brush your face to fix your look. And then, last but not the least, let's put some highlighter. And I'm using this fun brush from, again, Miss Clutz pa rin. And let's see, what highlighter should I use? From this palette, again, I'm going to use this shade Rye. And lalagay lang natin siya doon. And for the last step to finish this look is our lips. So, for the lips, I'm gonna use, wait, I can't pick color. Since medyo dark ang ating eye color, let's use this nude color lipstick from Lustrous set. Again, ito. Tagal kong hinintay ito bago ko nakuha. But anyways, I have it already, so this I'm gonna use. Since ma-shimmer na ang ating eyes and face, matte na lang ang ating gawin sa ating lips. Di ko napapantungan ng lip gloss para mag-shine, and that's it. So, wait for me to come back and aayusin ko lang ang aking final look, and I'll be right back. So, guys, I'm back, and here it is, my final look. Ayan. Sumasabit ang aking buhok. But here it is. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the like button for you to keep updated on my next post and video. Bye bye!